All right, so here we are, day 10 of positive affirmations. I thought it'd be cool to cook some food for this. I made some tacos and some Cheddar Bay biscuits from Red Lobster. But yeah, anyways, here's day 10. Be kind to yourself. You're doing amazing. Don't be hard on yourself. Don't be your worst enemy. You already have your enemies. That means you're doing amazing. Just keep going. Nothing is endless. Be kind to yourself, warrior. Greatness is happening. Just keep going. If you've always known your greatness, just be kind to yourself. Thank you for listening to my day 10 of positive affirmations, and I hope everybody has a great night. And yes, the food was delicious. See you later.